This 5-minute solution will show you how to add Instagram link to Facebook. Follow these simple steps to add your Instagram link to Facebook, and the process will be similar for Android and iOS device. First of all, open your Facebook. Tap on your profile photo at the top left to open your Facebook profile, and then tap on Edit Profile. Scroll down and tap on Edit Your About Info. Here you will get this Contact Info option. So tap on Edit next to Contact Info, and you will get Social Links option here. So tap on Add Social Link. Tap on this drop down and select Instagram. Now open your Insta application, open your profile, tap on Edit, tap on Username. All you have to need, just copy your Instagram username, then paste your username here, tap on Save. And this is how we can add Instagram link to Facebook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.